operation in New Jersey.
Fuck you! Get the fuck up! Get the fuck up! Repent! Repent!
You guys asked for that. You asked for it. Let them do their job. You're obstructing. You asked for that.
They're back.
You know what's happening in New York?
Mike, hit it.
And this footage is getting ugly.
What do you think?
Somebody must be paying these protesters. I'm sure that, somebody must be paying these protesters. It's being investigated in Senate right now that the riots are being paid. They are being paid. They are being funded. Look at what is happening on your screen right now, because I am honestly struggling to understand the logic here. We are watching live footage from outside a federal immigration and custom enforcement facility in Newark, New Jersey, where a crowd was formed a physical blockade to trap law enforcement vehicles. Protesters are dragging heavy plastic barricades directly into the street, deliberately obstructing federal agents who are trying to do their job. How does anyone think it's okay to physically trap law enforcement officers in the middle of public roadway? Right? In the middle of public roadway. That's crazy. Federal agents are tasked with executing the law of this country. Yet, here they are, forced to manually push past aggressive crowd just to move their vehicles. It's completely backwards. If we look at this through constitutional lens, what these protesters are doing flies directly in the face of the Supremacy Clause of the United States Constitution. It's found in the Article 6, Clause 2. The Supremacy Clause establishes that the federal law and federal operation takes absolute precedence over local or individual intervention. A mob of private citizens does not have the legal authority to physically disrupt the execution of federal mandate by blocking these vehicles. They are actively interfering with the supreme law of the land and creating a major public safety hazard. Furthermore, let's talk about the 14th Amendments and the rule of law. The 14th Amendments guarantees due process, meaning law must be enforced through established legal system and federal agencies, not dictated by whoever can block the road. When individuals physically obstruct agents, they completely undermine the constitutional structure of our republic. The sheer confusion of watching people demand rights while trying to dismantle the legal processes that maintain society is staggering. Law enforcement showed incredible restraint here. They are very patient, but a federal facility getting blocked off like this should make everyone question where the line for public safety is being drawn, right? But what are your thoughts about this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.